Hey, my name is Yogi. I'm with the Whitehorse Fire Department, and as you know, firefighters like treats. So today we're going to make a crisp rice cereal bar to promote Fire Prevention Week safety. So Fire Prevention Week happens every year during the week of October 9th. This year it's happening October 4th to 10th. And the reason we have Fire Prevention Week is to raise awareness and to commemorate the Great Chicago Fire of 1871. So in order to make these rice cereal bars, what we're going to need is a 1/4 cup butter, a couple of butterscotch chips just for a treat in there, 250 grams of marshmallows, 6 cups of crisp rice cereal, some measuring devices, a little bit of vanilla, and the end result that's going to look like this. So first what we're going to do is take the 1/4 cup butter, put it in our plastic bowl, and then we're going to microwave it for 30 seconds, maybe minutes. So this year, as I mentioned, we're promoting kitchen safety, and we just want to raise awareness of cooking fires, because the top cause of house fires in North America is cooking fires. So what we're going to do now is we're going to add the 250 grams of marshmallows. We're just going to stir that up a little, and then we're going to return it back to the microwave. So as your kids tell you, we generally go to the schools and promote the smoke alarm and CO alarm fire safety. We always recommend that you check the smoke alarm at least once a month, make sure it works, and your CO alarm as well. The fire department also recommends that you change the batteries out in them twice a year. So that's been 2 minutes in the microwave. It's melted quite well. Remember, this is very hot right now. Throughout the kitchen, as your kids are helping you cook, remember the elements are hot, the water that you're boiling is very hot, and there's plenty of accidents that happen all the time. Not only house fires, but just burns from hot food. Steam coming out of the microwave. These are all concerns. Just going to whip that up a little bit more. Then we're going to add some vanilla, and then we're going to put the crisp rice in it. So the other thing we'd like to remind everyone is, if you have a smoke alarm go off in your house due to a fire, you have less than 2 minutes to get out of the house. As well, make sure you have 2 ways out of your house. That looks like it's mixed quite well. And we're going to add some of the chips to that. Butterscotch chips, just to give it a little extra flavor. And a pinch of love. Okay, that looks about ready. Now we're going to put it in the greased cookie sheet. There. Now we stick that in the fridge. We let it cool for a couple hours. Okay, it's been a couple hours. Let's see how that looks now. Oh, they look delicious. Now we can either cut that in there or see if we can get it out because we greased the cookie sheet. Let's cut some up and give it a try. All ready to serve. Delicious treat. Good cereal. Remember to stay safe in your kitchen. Keep a clean kitchen. Always know 2 ways out and make sure your smoke alarm works. Enjoy.